everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to go offline on a EA app. So apparently EA is a app for Windows, electronic arts all enhanced new PC platform where you can easily play your favorite games. The app provides a streamlined and optimized user interface that gets you into your games faster than ever before. So what are you waiting for? If you have already logged into your EA account and opened that and you want to go offline in your EA account, then you can do that. To do that, watch this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to go offline on your EA account, first of all go ahead and open up your EA application on your Windows device. Now you'll be entered with this screen on your Windows. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on that little cartoon icon which is in the top right corner, and then you can go ahead and tap on that little arrow just beside your name, and then you'll be available with several options here. Go ahead and tap on invisible, and then there you go, you have already gone offline on your EA app. So yeah, that's how it's done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.